Alright, y'all, so here's the problem I'm having. I just did maintenance for the first time on a Fx6, and for some reason it's making this really loud noise from the motor. I have no idea what it is. I'm hoping it could be just sand, because when I cleaned it out there was about a tablespoon of sand in the bottom of it. So I'm hoping that's what it is. If it is, will it quiet down on its own, or do I literally have to take it back apart and unscrew the motor and clean it out by hand? If anybody knows, anybody can help me out, feel free. But anyway, that's what it sounds like, y'all. This is what I'm listening to right now. It went from absolutely quiet to me cleaning it to it making this horrendous sound. So, give me a holler. Alright, like, comment, subscribe. Please help me out.